So my favorite edge control at the moment is Murray's Edge Wax, which is what I'm going to be using in this video. 3 key tools I use daily to lay my edges are a toothbrush, a metal tip rat tail comb, and an edge scarf. So y'all don't talk about me too bad, but right now my edges are looking a hot mess, but that's okay because it's all going to change here in a second. First thing I'm going to do is use this tip of the toothbrush to apply the edge control to my hair. Now I prefer the toothbrush over my finger because it gives me much more control over how much is applied, and it allows me to spread the wax more smoothly. Plus I don't have to worry about getting any product stuck under my fingernails. Now I'm going to use the other end to brush the edge control evenly throughout until my entire hairline is as sleek as possible. The main reason I always wear my hair braided at the front is because the braids help hold my edges down. So now I'm going to use the metal tip of the rat tail comb to push my hair under the braid. Also notice me pressing the braid down as I'm doing this. I'm basically pushing down so that the braid sticks to my hair and further assists in holding my edges in place all day. One side is done, and as you can see, the product holds very well. So I'm going to follow those same steps on the other side. It is very important when applying any edge control to let your hair set. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tie my hair down for about 20 minutes and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. And here is the end result. My edges are laid and they will hold up all day without any additional product. I have naturally thin edges, and this Murray's Edge Wax really lays my hair, helping to conceal certain thinning areas, and it creates an illusion of me having thicker edges. So this is my go-to edge control for now. I do apply this edge control daily, but I make sure I wipe my edges clean with a warm, damp microfiber towel to remove any existing residue, which prevents buildup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.